Lorex continues to revolutionize the security camera market. The LNB9232 4K camera is part of the Nocturnal camera lineup and offers features that are revolutionary. Made of heavy-duty high-grade aluminum, the LNB9232 bullet-style camera is rugged and robust and will last for years, even in the harshest of climates. The camera can be mounted horizontally or vertically and is ideally suited for exterior usage. The base of the camera is foam back to help seal out the elements, as well as having a cable notch to accommodate for surface mounting. The LNB9232 is fully weatherproof and is IP67 water rated. It can operate in temperatures as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera boasts a large image sensor featuring back-illuminated pixel technology, which results in superior low-light performance. As well, the camera's 8.5 megapixel sensor delivers 4K UHD resolution, 4 times that of 1080p HD, resulting in a sharper image. The LNB9232 can deliver high-quality night vision up to 275 feet and has 111 degrees of field of view, which works well for large open areas where coverage is required. The camera is capable of recording 4K video up to 30 frames per second, which helps to deliver smooth on-screen movement. Smooth, high-definition frame rates means you don't miss any visual detail. The LNB9232 is also capable of capturing high-quality audio with a built-in microphone. The LNB9232 utilizes PoE or Power over Ethernet with the need for only one cable to supply power, video, and audio if available. The camera is ONVIF compliant, an international standard for IP network cameras. Lorex has designed 2 major features into this camera. HDR, or High Dynamic Range, ensures the system can capture the broadest range of visual details from dark to light. The camera is also equipped with 3D DNR, or digital noise reduction, to filter out noise created from low light settings. 3D DNR not only reduces noise, but can also reduce the video file sizes on the storage device. Like many Lorex cameras, the LNB9232 utilizes HEVC, or High Efficiency Video Codec, best known as H.265, which keeps file sizes small, yet maintains high video quality. Included in the package are mounting screws and hollow wall anchors, a template for hole placement, and a quick start guide outlining safety precautions and installation options. A 24-hour surveillance window security sticker and a 100-foot Cat5e cable are both included in the kit. The cable features a secure locking connector to prevent accidental disconnection. The LNE9232 is a feature-packed professional-grade camera for all your security needs.